Hi, I'm Radu Popescu. Imagine the end user installing the application for the first time. He opens the app and he needs to configure a bunch of settings like connection servers, ports, and usernames. Or he creates a complex workflow environment, redesigning the user interface of the application. All these settings are saved automatically in a config file on the machine. Overwriting these files during an update means user must reconfigure everything, which can lead to a time-consuming and frustrating process. To avoid this, Advanced Installer allows you to retain specific files during the installation update process. Launch Advanced Installer and open your existing EEP project file. Add any new files for the updated version. Next, from the Files and Folder page, find the configuration file that you want to preserve. Typically, these files are stored in app data, program data, or the application installation folder. Modify the file properties by right-clicking on the configuration file. Then select Properties from the context menu and go to Operations tab. Enable the option Do Not Overwrite the existing file and set the condition to Old Products. The Old Products condition ensures that if a previous version of the software is detected, the existing configuration file will not be replaced with a new one from the installer. Finally, build and test the installer. Now, there are some other factors to note. For extra security, you can create a custom action to backup configuration files before the upgrade and restoring them afterwards. Instead of storing user settings in files, you can use Windows Registry to manage configurations. Advanced Installer allows you to configure registry settings to persist across updates. Also, in some cases, you may want to update a configuration file only if the new version is more recent. You can achieve this by using file version conditions within Advanced Installer.